Picture waking up and seeing your YouTube channel grow each day. Isn't that thrilling? Achieving 1,000 subscribers is a significant milestone. It opens opportunities for monetization and showcases your channel's potential. However, many newcomers find it challenging to reach this target. They upload videos, yet their subscriber count stagnates. This leads to frustration. Some choose to quit, while others repeat ineffective strategies. Today, I present a new perspective. Let's move past vague tips like upload good content. Provide a clear, detailed plan to achieve 1,000 subscribers using mostly free AI tools. This guide eliminates confusion and frustration. If you commit to this plan, reaching 1,000 subscribers could become a reality. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We believe a single video and strategy can transform your financial future. If you're joining us, consider subscribing and hitting the alert bell. We provide daily content filled with AI tools and strategies. Tomorrow's video is one you won't want to miss, so ensure that alert is on. Now let's map your journey to 1,000 subscribers. First, grasp how subscriber growth truly operates. Many beginners hold misconceptions, which waste their time and energy. Some assume that exceptional videos alone attract subscribers. While video quality is important, 3 crucial factors drive growth. To begin, discoverability is key. Your videos need to be discoverable through search and social media. If they lack visibility, even your best content may go unnoticed. Next, viewers require a reason to stay. Provide targeted content within a specific niche. An unfocused channel might get one-time views, but struggle to gain subscribers. Finally, consistency plays a vital role. Regular uploads keep your channel visible to the algorithm, enhancing your reach. AI tools enhance all 3 aspects. They assist in producing optimized content, ensuring focused topics, and support regular posting more easily than manual methods. An AI-driven approach can smartly expedite your growth. Your first step in this beginner plan is to select the right niche. If you nail this choice, everything else will follow smoothly. Here's how AI helps in niche selection. Use Claude and input the prompt. I want to create a faceless YouTube channel that quickly reaches 1,000 subscribers. Provide 10 niche ideas with high search volume and low competition. Claude will offer insights along with explanations. Review them carefully. Pick what genuinely interests you. Passion fuels consistency. After identifying your top 3 niches, check YouTube for existing channels. Look into their subscriber numbers and views. Smaller, thriving channels in those niches suggest growth potential. Next, consult Gemini for trending topics within your chosen niche. Ask it for popular YouTube questions anticipated in 2026. Gemini provides timely search insights, showcasing viewer interests and gaps. This AI-assisted niche discovery process is quick. Once you have selected your niche, fully commit. Ensure all your videos target this audience, creating a cohesive channel. Step 2 is about optimizing your YouTube channel layout to convert visitors into subscribers. Many channels suffer from poor presentation. They often have unclear names and descriptions, which may deter potential subscribers. You can improve this by refining your channel name with Claude's help. Input suggests 10 names for a faceless channel about your niche. For the channel description, have Claude craft a warm and inviting overview, explaining what your channel offers and why viewers should subscribe. Visuals are crucial. Design a professional channel icon and banner using Canva templates. Be consistent with your niche colors and include your name and tagline. Additionally, create an engaging video trailer. This brief clip plays when new visitors check your page. Let Claude assist you in crafting a script that effectively introduces your channel. A quality trailer can boost subscriber rates by as much as 50%. That means you can gain more subscribers from your current visitor traffic. Step 3 centers on building your content production system. Daily uploads are essential, yet creating quality videos consumes time. With AI, you can produce a polished video daily in just 90 minutes. Here's your daily routine. Every morning, use Gemini to identify trending topics within your niche. Jot down the top 3 concepts you uncover. Select the strongest one and ask Claude to generate a comprehensive video script for you. It will tailor the script especially for beginners. After personalizing the script, convert it to audio using ElevenLabs. Upload the audio into Pictory AI to generate your video, adding relevant footage automatically. Then design your video thumbnail in Canva, ensuring it has strong visual appeal. Finally, upload the video to YouTube, complete with title, description, and appropriate tags. Total time? Only 90 minutes. That's your engine for growth. Step 4 is about mastering your titles and thumbnails. These elements are crucial in driving clicks on YouTube. The success of your video relies significantly on these factors. Leverage Claude to suggest engaging title options promising clear viewer benefits. For thumbnails, maintain a consistent format. Use dark backgrounds, bold text, and eye-catching visuals. Have Claude describe an ideal thumbnail concept, then create it in Canva. This minor effort can greatly enhance click rates. Step 5 involves promoting your videos effectively. Waiting for organic growth results in long waits. Sharing your content actively enhances your growth potential. Promote every new video across 5 platforms. Start with WhatsApp. Send your video link to friends, asking them to share it if they find it helpful. Then, on Facebook, post it in groups related to your niche. Create engaging posts about your video to increase interaction. Utilize Twitter to summarize insights from your video, linking to the complete version. On LinkedIn, emphasize key insights if your niche relates to business. Finally, take advantage of YouTube community posts to keep your audience engaged between videos. Ask Claude to generate these promotional posts in one go for efficiency. Step 6 is monitoring your progress. Create a daily tracking spreadsheet in Notion to observe your growth. Track metrics such as views and new subscribers. After a week, evaluate which videos performed best. Adjust your strategy based on your findings. Understand which content resonates and replicate that success. By adhering to these 6 steps and investing 90 minutes each day, you will have a clear strategy to reach 1,000 subscribers with AI tools. Creators who achieve this milestone swiftly are consistent. They follow a defined system and adapt to their analytics promptly. Now the choice is yours. Will you implement this system? Begin today. Upload your first video tomorrow and witness the results of your efforts. Return in 90 days to share your success. I read every comment and would love to celebrate your achievement. If this plan was valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more beginners seeking guidance. Remember to subscribe to Tech Talk Tech for daily insights. Tomorrow we'll unveil an exciting AI income strategy for 2026 that many haven't yet discovered. See you tomorrow.